Hi friends, in the previous session we have discussed about data types in Python. In this session we are going to discuss how to write Python coding in Notepad, how to save file and steps to execute Python coding in command prompt. Before discussing all these, please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thanks to all who subscribed this channel previously. Please watch this video without skipping anything. Now, I will tell you how to write a program in Notepad and how to save the file. Suppose we can write one Python program to perform addition of two numbers. So, first step is to open Notepad file. Okay, so we can start to write program. I will take two variables to assign values, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. So I will take another variable to store result. So here I am performing addition of these two variables, means 10 is stored in A, 20 is stored in B. So I am assigning the addition of these two numbers in C equal to A plus B. Now, using print method, we can display the result in output. So I will type here print C. Till now, writing code in Notepad is completed. Now I will tell you how to save Notepad file for Python code. So go to File and select Save As. Select path where you need to save file. We should save Python file with extension .py. Py indicates it is a Python file. Suppose this Notepad file is saving as add_num.py. So Notepad file is saved. We can compile and execute this file in command prompt. So first copy the path where the file is saved. Open command prompt. Now type cd space and paste file path here. Type Python space file name add_number with extension .py. So we can check result now here. We got output as 30. So code executed. Till now we saw how to save Notepad file with Python code and understood how to execute in command prompt. We can discuss other topics in next session. Thank you all. Keep watching and I hope you are able to learn Python easily with these videos. We will meet in next video with another topic. Thank you and have a nice day.